There are a few ways that you will see this kind of question. One of them is that you will be asked to evaluate the function for the given value of x. Another way is that you will be given a value, in this case x equals 2, and you will be told what f of x equals. In this case, f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. So all you have to do here, they're telling you that x equals 2. So wherever you see an x, just replace it with 2. You're really just plugging in the 2. Go ahead and place parentheses around the 2. Although the number 2 is positive here, and you don't really need to do it this time, it's a good habit to have for when the numbers are negative. So that's 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 1. Now, all you have to do is simplify. 2 squared is 4, plus 2 times 2, which is also 4, plus 1 equals 9. So 9 is your answer here. We'll look at more examples in upcoming videos. Subscribing is free. Hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons for more videos.